What's going on, guys? Today we're going to learn Take Me to Church by Hozier. This one's a great beginner song with lots of easy chords, so it should be good to start off with, and it's got a really cool riff to lead into the chorus. If you're a total beginner, start with my free guitar crash course here to get up to speed, and then come back to this video. And with that, let's get into it. Alright, so this here is going to be the part played in the verse. You can kind of get the feel of the vibe for it. It's very dark, strong chords. For this song, the strumming is really easy. We're basically just alternating between an A minor and some other chord. And the A minor is going to be played for 1 beat each time, and the other chord is going to be played for 3. So for example, you'd have an E minor and A minor. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's just going to repeat for this entire chord progression. That's all there is to the strumming, all downstrokes, nice and easy. So basically you can see the order of the chords on the screen here. We're going to do this long E minor, A minor, G run. We're going to play through that entire thing twice. Then we're going to go to D and C. Then we're going to play that entire E minor, A minor progression again, but this time we're just doing it once, and then we're going back to that D and C. That's a little confusing, but honestly, just follow along with the chords and lyrics. It'll make it a lot easier, and you can use this as a way to kind of think about it to help you memorize it, which is going to be the toughest part. So there's not really anything more to explain than that. I'll just play through the full thing for you, and then you can follow along with the chords and lyrics in the description and kind of sort it out for yourself. The memorization, again, is going to be the only tricky part of the song. Alright, and there's the entire verse. Again, it's not tough to play. It's just a matter of sorting it out in your head to see what chord goes where, and just try following along with this general structure to help you memorize it a little bit easier. And with that, that takes us into the pre-chorus, which is similar but with different chords and a little bit of a cool run at the end to lead into the chorus. And there's the full pre-chorus there. So we're starting with our same 1 and 3 beat chord changes, and we're switching between a C and a G. So we're going to do this 3 times. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go to a G5, which is just a nice powerful power chord. And then you're going to go... So just sliding down with the same shape, sliding down 1 fret each time, and you go, and that's it. So you just add that on to your 3 C to Gs, and you've got the full pre-chorus. Alright, and that leads us into the chorus where things change up a bit, and this is going to be the fullest, biggest sound of this song. So here's the full chorus for you. And there's your full chorus. Starting on an E minor, and we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. Not too complicated. We're going to play that strumming pattern on E minor twice, and then go to that kind of annoying B chord. And we'll play that twice. And then we go G, A minor, E minor. So that part is... And then we're going to go back to our power chord run from the pre-chorus. And that ends off your chorus. So, all together slowly, we've got... And there you go. There's your chorus. All right, here we go. On the last part, we are in the home stretch to play this entire song. This is the bridge. So this one's actually probably the easiest part of all of them. Our strumming pattern, starting on a C, is going to be down, 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 up. And then we're just going to switch between a few different chords. So we're going to play that on a C, to a G, to a B7, to an E minor. So that together. So you're going to play those 4 chords 4 times, and then we're going to end this section off with an E minor, a C major 7, which is just a normal C but with your first finger taken off, to add a little bit of that tension that we're going to end by resolving to a C. Played for you, sounds like this. And you end on that held C. And there you have it. That is the entire bridge. There we go. With that, that's all there is to this song. This one's pretty fun to play, so try it out, and I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. Please hit that thumbs up button and let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below. It really does make a difference. Please also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified of all my newest uploads, and you can learn guitar a lot faster than the guy who didn't subscribe.